Max, long time no see. Would you like a free iPad?
Yes, please.
Okay, just finish this 15-minute survey and it'll be yours.
All right, fantastic.
You're very welcome. Do you want a free iPad?
No.
Can you please open up?
No.
Do you want a free iPad?
Are you kidding me?
Let's say the objective of our banknote is to reach this light sensor. Now if I turn it on, this is currently receiving a variable value of about 56 or 55% brightness. I have programmed this so when it reaches a threshold of 53% or less, it will continue the program, which will begin with this motor sucking the euro note in. If you try inserting a euro note, say worth €5, it's going to fall into a hole and be fortunately returned to the customer, but it did not work in reaching the light sensor because it did not ride along this purple and pink railing. The same applies for the €10. Get out of there. €20 and €50. All these euro notes fell down into this hole and consequently did not make it far enough to reach this light sensor. But if you insert a €100 note, it is sucked up by the wheel. For the second part of the mechanism following the banknote exception, we have two motors, one per iPad. Now let's unplug these to limit the clutter. So this motor prevents this door from opening all the way because this door is hinged at this white piece, which means that anything higher than it, specifically these gray plates, are going into this beam, which pretty much means that the door can only open a little bit. So once the euro note is sucked in by another motor, this motor is instructed to rotate about 45 degrees, therefore no longer being in the way of this gray plate, letting this rotate open all the way so you can pull out the first iPad. Here I have isolated the motor that works specifically on locking the second iPad. So this rotates a gear, which rotates two things. First, it rotates this gear, which is one of the locking bars in front of the iPad, the left side one. And this gear is also connected to a wheel that rotates this tread, which ultimately rotates a gear over here, which rotates the second bar. So in summary, this motor simply rotates the left beam and through a system of treads rotates another beam, locking the system. Therefore, when it rotates, both of the beams come up, which means that we can open this up because these beams are elevated.